trying to get back home. California's nice if you got the money to sacrifice. Big fine cars, movie stars, and Hollywood and Vine. But if you look at the good home cooking and girls that are naturally good looking, then Carolina's where you ought to be. Hey, hey, I'd rather be in Carolina. Ain't no place finer, no matter where you roam. Carolina's home. I'd rather be in Carolina, and I'll be trying to get back home. Hey, I went to find a job in New York City, a nice place to visit.
Welcome to another edition of Tips from a Bellman. Should change this to retired bellman now, since I retired in November. Today we're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, where I eventually want to buy my own condo, but for now I'm renting a snowbird rental for a month. Anyway, we are at Magnolia at 26th. I came here a couple years ago with a high school friend of mine for their buffet, and so I had to make a return visit. Came for the lunch. It's a little bit cheaper to do the lunch than the dinner, of course, but it's still the same menu. The menu rotates and changes, you know, day by day, but on Friday is chicken bog day, which is why I came here today. I love me some chicken bog. So I've tried and tried to do my own recipes, and I just can't seem to get it the way that it's supposed to be. Now, the lady did give me a tip on how to make good chicken bog, which I'd never heard this before. So I'm gonna try that and see if that makes a difference. So I can make some damn good jambalaya, but I just can't get my chicken bog right. So anyway, chicken bog was really good. I went and got 2 servings of it, you know. I was like, I went back and got seconds, you know. The fried chicken was nice and juicy. The batter was good. Really good fried chicken. The baked chicken, not baked, barbecue chicken, it was kind of dry. It tasted good, but it was just dry. I wouldn't get it again. The green beans. Now, the Magnolia is known for getting like fresh local vegetables, and I think they have their own farm that they get them from, if I read before right. So the green beans were really good, probably the best green beans I've had in years. I don't know what kind of flavoring they added to it when they were, you know, making them, but man, they were just so good. They have fried okra, which I'm not an okra guy, but you know, they have that. And the corn on the cob was fresh. I mean, you could tell this came from a farm. This wasn't like the nibblers that you buy at the grocery store that are frozen and they all look the same, you know, size, and it looks fake, you know. It's that GMO, I guess, you know, it was like. So anyway, yeah, the corn was really good. I had mac and cheese. The mac and cheese was like, you know, the baked grandma style, you know, with the cheese melted on the top. It was okay. I'm not a big mac and cheese guy, but you know, it's okay. I have several different desserts to choose from. The banana pudding, oh my goodness. In Vegas, all the barbecue places have banana pudding, and it's just bland and there's nothing there. It's just like, okay, this banana pudding will knock your socks off. It is so good, almost make you pass out. I'm like, it's just amazing. Absolutely get the banana pudding. I almost decided to get something else, but I said, no, I'll get that. On my first tray, when I got my food, I got the peach cobbler, and the peach cobbler is pretty good too, you know. You know, it's warm, it's good, it's sticky, you know, peach cobbler's good. So what else did I have? So I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. So I had 2 plates, and it was $17 for lunch with your drink. So it was well worth it. Of course, dinner would probably be about $4 or $5 more. But yeah, definitely come by here. When you're in Myrtle Beach, go to Magnolia at 26, and you won't regret it. You know, and if you're like me and like chicken bog is Friday, so definitely recommend it. And that fried chicken, like I said, definitely get the fried chicken too, and a banana pudding. Sweet tea, of course, really sweet, you know, so, you know, if you don't like it that sweet, maybe get a little, like I did, I got a glass of water to go with it, you know, kind of go back and forth. But yeah, y'all have a great day and enjoy the video.